Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to learn something very useful, how to talk about shopping at the supermarket. Shopping at the supermarket is something we all do. It's a great place to buy food, drinks, and other daily items. But do you know the right words and phrases to use in English when shopping? Don't worry. In this video, I'll teach you some common phrases and vocabulary to help you. You'll learn how to ask for items, understand signs, and talk to the cashier. Let's get started. When you go to the supermarket, you might need a shopping cart or basket. Here are some useful phrases. Excuse me, where can I find a shopping cart? I'll take a basket because I don't need many items. Next, look around for the sections you need. Supermarkets usually have signs like fruits and vegetable, dairy product, snacks and drink, frozen food. You can ask for help if you're not sure where something is. Excuse me, where is the bread section? Can you tell me where I can find the milk? Once you know where the items are, it's time to pick what you need. Here are some phrases you might use. Fruits and vegetables. I need 2 apples and 1 bunch of bananas. Excuse me, how much are the oranges? Are these tomatoes fresh? Dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt. I'd like a bottle of milk, please. Is this cheese on sale? I want to try a new flavor of yogurt. Snacks and drinks. Can I have a pack of chips? Where can I find soft drinks? Do you have any sugar-free options? Frozen food. I need frozen vegetables for cooking. Do you have any ice cream? How long can I keep this frozen pizza at home? When you shop, it's important to know the prices. Sometimes, you'll see signs like buy one, get one free, 20% off, special offer today. Here are some useful phrases. Excuse me, how much is this? Is this on sale? What's the price of this pack of cookies? If something is too expensive, you can say, that's a bit too much for me. I'll look for a cheaper option. After you finish shopping, you go to the checkout counter. Here's what you might hear. Did you find everything you need? Do you have a membership card? Your total is $15.75. You can say, yes, I found everything, thank you. No, I don't have a membership card. Can I pay by card? Can I have a receipt, please? If you bring your own bag, you can say, I have my own bag. If you forgot your bag, you might ask, do you sell shopping bags? Here are some extra tips to make your shopping easier. Make a shopping list, write down what you need before you go. For example, I need bread, milk, eggs, and some fruit. Look for discounts, check the weekly promotions at the supermarket. Wow, this coffee is 30% off. I'll take 2 packs. Go at the right time. The supermarket is less crowded in the morning. I'll go early to avoid long lines. Shopping at the supermarket is an important life skill. Now, you know how to ask for items, check prices, and talk to the cashier in English. These phrases will make your shopping trip easier and more fun. Before we finish, tell me, what do you usually buy at the supermarket? Do you like shopping? Write your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy English lessons. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.
Hi everyone. Today, I want to tell you a story about getting ready for Christmas. It's a busy time of year, and there are so many things to prepare. One of the most important things is going to the supermarket to buy everything we need for the holiday. Let's imagine I'm a character in this story. I'll take you through my shopping trip as I buy decorations, food, and gifts for Christmas. I'll use simple English so everyone can understand. Let's get started. It's a cold December morning. The air smells fresh, and I can hear Christmas songs everywhere. I grab my shopping list and say to myself, okay, I need to buy decorations, food for Christmas dinner, and some small gifts. I put on my warm coat, gloves, and scarf. I take a big shopping bag with me because I know I'll buy a lot of things. Then, I walk to the supermarket. When I arrive, I see the supermarket is full of people. Everyone is excited and busy, just like me. The first thing I want to buy is decorations. I walk to the decorations aisle. There are so many beautiful things to see. Red and green ornaments, fairy lights that sparkle like stars, ribbons and bows in gold and silver. I pick up a box of ornaments and say, "These will look great on my Christmas tree." Next, I see a big star for the top of the tree. I smile and say, "This is perfect." I also buy a wreath for the front door and some candles to make the house cozy. After buying decorations, I move to the food section. This is the most important part because Christmas dinner needs to be special. I check my list and start shopping. 1. The main dish. I see a big turkey in the meat section. I say, "This turkey is perfect for Christmas dinner." I put it in my cart. 2. Side dishes. Next, I go to the vegetables section. I pick up potatoes, carrots, and broccoli. I say, "These vegetables will be great for side dishes." I also buy a loaf of bread to make stuffing. 3. Dessert. Christmas isn't complete without dessert. I go to the baking aisle and pick up flour, sugar, and eggs to bake a cake. A box of gingerbread cookies. I also see a beautiful chocolate cake and say, "I'll buy this, just in case my cake doesn't turn out well." Next, I go to the snacks and drinks section. I see shelves full of treats. I decide to get a box of chocolates, a bag of candy canes, a bottle of sparkling apple juice. I also see a box of Christmas crackers. They look fun, so I add them to my cart. I remember that I also need to buy some small gifts. I go to the gift section and look around. I see a soft toy and say, "This will be perfect for my little cousin." I pick up a set of candles for my friend and say, "She will love these." I also find some gift wrap and ribbons to make the gifts look pretty. After I finish shopping, I go to the checkout counter. The cashier greets me with a smile and says, "Hello. Did you find everything you need?" I reply, "Yes, thank you." The cashier scans all my items. As I watch the total amount go up, I think, Christmas is expensive, but it's worth it. The cashier says, "Your total is $120. Do you want to pay with cash or card?" I say, "I'll pay by card, please." Before I leave, I ask, "Can I have a receipt, please?" I leave the supermarket with my bags full of Christmas goodies. On the way home, I think about all the fun things I'll do. Decorating the tree with my new ornaments, cooking Christmas dinner with my family, giving gifts and seeing everyone's happy faces. I say to myself, Christmas is so much work, but it's also so much fun. That's the story of my Christmas shopping trip. I bought everything I needed, decorations, food, and gifts. Now I'm ready to enjoy the holiday with my family. What about you? Have you started shopping for Christmas? What do you usually buy? Write your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy English lessons. Thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas!